Good morning class, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you line and paragraph spacing in Microsoft Word, which is our activity number 5. So first, you open our MS Word activities folder in desktop. So you just simply double click to open. Okay, then double click activity number 5, which is line and paragraph spacing. So double click this one to open. Okay, so next you search for Microsoft Word. Here you type Word, and then you click Word application. So you do the same with activity 1 to 4. Okay, so this time click blank document. Okay, so we're going to tile Windows now. So to tile, just point at the title bar. Do the same with our activity number 1. You drag, hold down your left mouse button, drag to the left side most of your screen, then click your guide. So this is your guide and this one is your activity. Okay, so this time you click at the typing area and then you click center. Okay, so you set the size, font size to 12, and then the font name or font style is Times New Roman. Okay, YC what you see is what you get. If boldface here in your guide, you also set to boldface. So you have already learned this skill in activity number 2. So you click B to boldface. Okay, so this time you type activity 5. Press enter to move down twice, then line and paragraph is spacing. Okay, then you press enter to move down twice. So next, you turn off the boldface since the next line of text is not bold. So you type controlling the program manager. Okay, so then you press enter twice, 1, 2, and then this time, if you see paragraph text that is aligned from left and right edges of the margin, that means that is justified. So you simply click this one, this button here, to distribute your text evenly between the margins. So you click this one. Okay, so you have already set to justify. You can see a justify button is active. Okay, so this time to indent on the first line, so you press tab key on your keyboard. Press tab and then this time you type turn off. Okay, so the program manager is always, just simply right click to correct the wrong spelling. Okay, so you zoom in so that you can see what you type. This is program manager. Okay, backspace means erases character to the left of the cursor. So here you click here to position, it's available, and then you continue typing. So in typing here, zoom in to see the whole page. YCWig, you just simply copy here your guide. So for tutorial purposes, I type this one, so do not press enter at the end of every line. So just continue typing and it will automatically wrap when it reach the margin. Okay, so you simply type, do not press enter at the end of the line. See, it will move down. So you type, so that is 6 lines. Okay, for example, we have already 4 lines of text. Okay, so for instance, this is your last line of text, both keys. Okay, so this is the time that you are going to press enter. You press enter only at the end of every paragraph. So meaning here, you're going to press enter here. So press enter to move down. Okay, so you enter twice and then press tab to align on the first line and then on the first paragraph. Press the tab. Okay, see, and then you type U. Okay, can operate. So continue typing. Do not press enter at the end of the line since our active alignment is justify. So continue, it will automatically justify. Okay, are as follows. Okay, so you press that's colon, hold down the shift, then press the colon on the right side of letter L, then press enter twice. Okay, so this time you can zoom in. Okay, so then caps lock, you type command. Then as you can see, a command actually is aligned with your first indent on the paragraph. You press tab to align with this. Okay, you highlight to boldface and apply underline. Okay, so next you press tab. Okay, so to turn off the line, actually you click the underline before you press tab, backspace. Okay, so for instance, here you type action and then to highlight to underline, underline. Okay, so at the end of this line you press enter and then you type, press caps lock, turn off the boldface by clicking, then file, new. Okay, so this time you press tab to align with the action column. Here you can see it's dash and then adds a new group item to a group create. Okay, so here you press spacebar, you erase the S, adds here, then press enter at the end of this create, press enter and then you press tab, 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 tab. Okay, so it will align new group and then press enter. So if there's a blue line, that's actually grammar, so meaning you have press spacebar twice here, so you right click this one and then you click the correct words. Okay, here click here at the last portion and then press enter. Okay, then type file, open, then press tab, tab, tab and then dash and then starts, continue typing and then you press enter and then press tab, 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 tab to align and then associate documents. Okay, so yun, and then press enter and then type file, move, press tab, 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 dash, moves, program, continue typing, then group, for instance. So you press enter the end of this line and then file, copy, press tab, then dash, copies, okay, so period and then press enter, enter twice. Okay, so here scroll down and then you can type here if you cannot see the program manager windows window or icon. Continue typing. This time you do not press enter at the end of the line, continue typing. Okay, so there are actually 3 lines. Continue typing, do not press enter at the end of the line. So okay, so for instance, down arrow key, press enter. Okay, then you highlight, you can see it is the left text and right is aligned because justify is active. Okay, so line spacing is this one, you click here and then you choose double space. Okay, so that's all on how to use line spacing in Microsoft Word. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching.